Hey everyone, welcome to Sperm, and in this video we will discuss how to change the app icons on your iPhones without any kind of jailbreak or any third-party application. This is a great way to personalize your Apple device and make it stand out from the crowd. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. First, you will need an pre-installed app on your iPhone, that is Shortcut app. Open the app and tap on plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on add action and search for the open app actions. Once you have found it, select it and choose the app you want to change the icon for. Also rename the shortcut to match the app's name. Now tap on the share button on the bottom of the screen and choose add to home screen. Here you will have to tap on icon to change it. You can either click a new photo or tap on choose photo to select the image from camera roll. It's important to note that the image is needed to be at least 180 by 180 pixels in size. Once you have chosen the new app icon, tap on add on the top right corner of the screen and new shortcut will be added to your home screen. Finally, to replace original app icon with new ones, simply remove the original app from the home screen and move the shortcut to the original app's place on the home screen. And that's it. You have successfully changed the app icon on your iPhone. Remember, you can repeat these steps for multiple apps to create a unique and personalized home screen. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Like the video if you liked it. Share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.